There was a man who built a beautiful house. From the outside, everything looked perfect. Clean walls, modern design, expensive furniture. Anyone who saw it believed it was strong. It looked complete. It looked stable. It looked successful. But there was one problem, a problem no one could see. He never built a foundation. The house stood, but it was sitting directly on unstable ground. At first, nothing seemed wrong. Days passed, weeks passed. Everything looked fine. Visitors came. They admired the house. They complimented the design. And the man believed everything was under control. But then, pressure came. Not immediately, but gradually. A storm, strong winds, shifting ground, and slowly, cracks began to appear. Small at first, almost invisible. Then larger. The walls started to shift. The doors stopped aligning. The structure weakened, and what once looked strong began to fall apart. Not because the house was poorly designed, but because it had no foundation. Many professionals in Canada are building their financial lives the same way. They earn income, they pay their bills, they upgrade their lifestyle, they move into better apartments, they finance cars, they subscribe to services. From the outside, everything looks stable, they look successful, they look comfortable. But underneath, there is no structure, no clear budget, no system guiding their money, no foundation holding everything together. So when life is calm, everything feels manageable. But the moment pressure appears, everything changes. An unexpected expense, a job interruption, a rise in cost of living. Suddenly, stress appears, savings disappear, debt begins to grow. Not because they are irresponsible, but because there was no foundation. This is the reality most people don't understand. Income alone does not create stability. Structure does. Let's slow down and break this down clearly, because this is where most people get it wrong. A financial foundation is built on three essential pillars. The first pillar is control of fixed expenses, your rent, your transportation, your essential obligations. If these are too high, your income becomes trapped. No matter how much you earn, you will always feel pressure because your base cost is too heavy. The second pillar is allocation. Every dollar must have a role, not just spending, but direction. Some money is for living, some is for saving, some is for building future wealth. If your money has no assignment, it disappears without intention. The third pillar is consistency. A budget is not something you do once. It is something you follow every month. It creates discipline, and discipline creates stability. Without consistency, even a good plan fails. This is why most people fail at budgeting. Not because budgeting doesn't work, but because they misunderstand it. They see it as restriction, as limitation, as something that reduces freedom. But in reality, a budget creates freedom because it gives your money structure. Here is the truth. A budget is not about controlling your life. It is about controlling your direction. Here is the lesson. A house without a foundation may stand for a moment, but it cannot survive pressure. If you want financial peace, build the foundation first. Control your expenses. Define your priorities. Automate your savings. Because income builds the walls, but structure builds the foundation. And only a strong foundation can sustain wealth. And even with a strong foundation, there is still one thing missing: protection. Because life is unpredictable, and without protection, even a stable structure can collapse. In the next video, we will build on this foundation and show you how to protect your finances. This is where true stability begins.